Ladies, French Avenue is spoiling you again with a beautiful new fragrance that came out, and it's called Venus de Milo. Venus de Milo is a beautiful vanilla fragrance, oriental vanilla fragrance, and it's a stunning bottle, and I believe the fragrance inside is even better. So this fragrance opens with a caramel, pear nectar, and sweet orange, and it's supposed to then turn down to milk, musk, Madagascar vanilla. So it's a very strong fragrance in the beginning. And the nice thing about a strong fragrance is it will last very long. So you spray it on the mornings and it will last you the whole day. It will turn down a little bit. Of course, it's a fragrance and it will turn and disappear a little bit. But I promise you, by the end of the day that you get home, you will still have this fragrance set on you and you'll smell it. And the husband will smell it as well as soon as he gets close to you to say hello. But it's a beautiful musky vanilla pear nectar fragrance, beautiful fragrance. I believe any lady would appreciate something like this because it's a very appreciative, beautiful fragrance that you will enjoy. Nice thing about the strong fragrance and the fragrance that will last you all day is I don't think you would like to wear this heavy bottle in your purse the whole day, because I believe after week 3 you will have massive biceps and massive shoulders, because this is not light. But anyway, you will enjoy it, ladies. This is a beautiful fragrance for the office. You can wear it at special occasions. Not a gym. I think that's too appreciative for the gym. But during the day at office or at a beautiful gala event, I believe you will be the star of the show if you have this beautiful fragrance on you. So I've put Luxurious Perfumes details down at the bottom. Give them a WhatsApp and inquire about this fragrance. You will not be disappointed. It is a stunning fragrance.